Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get expertise in Division 2. Expertise is a powerful system that lets you enhance your favorite gear, making your builds even stronger. It allows you to upgrade weapons, armor, and skill variants beyond their standard capabilities. Each expertise level you gain on an item provides a 1% increase to its core attributes, up to a maximum of 25 levels. This means a 25% boost to your most crucial stats. To begin increasing an item's expertise level, you first need to achieve proficiency rank 10 with that specific item. After reaching proficiency, you can then donate various materials, such as components, textiles, or even other gear, to upgrade its expertise level. Each level costs a certain amount of materials and credits, so be sure to stock up. This process directly enhances the item's core attributes, making it more potent in combat. Earning proficiency ranks is crucial for expertise. You can achieve proficiency in two main ways: by actively using an item in combat or by donating duplicate items. Simply equipping and using a weapon, armor piece, or skill variant will gradually increase its proficiency rank. Alternatively, donating unwanted items of the same type to the expertise system will also contribute to its proficiency, up to the maximum of 10 ranks per item. To maximize your expertise gain, focus on using a wide variety of weapons and gear to earn proficiency across many items. Always donate all unwanted items, especially duplicates, to the expertise system. This is a very efficient way to progress. Target activities that provide a high volume of loot, like Countdown or Summit, for more donation fodder. Finally, prioritize upgrading your most impactful and frequently used items first for the greatest immediate benefit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.